What is n squared divided by n? N? So now multiply, n squared minus 6n, right? But you come in with the red marker of subtraction, which switches the signs. So if I'm going to subtract negative, this now goes to a positive, yeah?
Yeah.
And then you now get your 0. You solved it correctly. What's negative n plus 6n? 5. And bring down the negative 29, and now you restart. Take that 5n. What do you have to add to your quotient? That'll multiply to one end, that'll create a 5n. 5, okay, so for those of you that can do it in your head, if you cannot, you create a ratio of these two. Positive 5n divided by n, and you get positive 5, so that's what you're writing here, positive 5. And then you multiply. 5 times n is positive 5n. 5 times negative 6 is negative 30. And now you come in with the subtraction where you're changing the signs because you're subtracting. So this becomes a minus and this becomes a positive. And so now this is 0 and negative 21, positive 30, positive 1. That is your remainder, but for cubics, we're not going to be getting remainders other than 0. So for this, if you want to just write your answer, n plus 5, and you can go plus 1, n minus 6, if you want to write it as a ratio, or you can write it plus 1, and you just kind of put it in a parenthesis, but that's your remainder. That's your R. But we're not going to be doing this. Synthetic division for cubics, you guys are going to use it as a means for factoring. Yeah. 30. Oh, 5 times n. 5n. 5 times negative 6, negative 30, but then the switch gives me positive 30. And then give the third one a try. Yeah. Because that's your remainder. But we're not going to be doing that for cubics, so even though I'm kind of writing that, because we're not in 3, we're just doing it review, but for im3, the reason why you're going to use the synthetic division is to try and factor cubics, like x3, x to the 4, x to the 5. This is the way you do that, is you do the synthetic division, but the whole point is to get a remainder 0. Like if we got a 1, you guys would trash that, but you would move on to the next one. You're not going to do that.
Every week.
N squared, 5n. Okay, let me turn this